functional nutrition provider at Newbridge here. Weeknights get busy with activities, especially after school. Things can get hectic, so quick dinners are the best thing that we can do, and I love sheet pan dinners for this. This is just the easiest way we can follow. There's a simple equation we can follow as well to always have something that's enjoyable, healthy, nutritious, and really easy to make. So whenever we're making these sheet pan meals, I always like to follow for picking your protein, picking your vegetables, and then picking your flavors. So starting with your protein, we're either going with that salmon is great, chicken is great, something easy and healthy and lean that kids and you will also enjoy. And then fun vegetable spreads are always exciting to kind of jazz it up. I always love personally to do things like sweet potato, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, chickpeas and red onions. That's a mix, especially you can do all those things or just pick and choose. There's so many options you can do, but picking vegetables that kind of all work together. And lastly, you have your flavor and your seasonings. This could be maybe a dressing or a marinade you put on your chicken, or just something to drizzle over, or what you season as it cooks. Again, you can throw it all right on the sheet, throw it in the oven, ignore it, come back to it when it's ready, when you're getting the kids ready. This is an awesome strategy for having healthy dinners during the week.